Are you already fallen into the credit loop? Or are you afraid of using credit cards? Then you are in the right place, where we will discuss both. Credit cards can be the easiest way to avail credit from a financial company, and the person needs to pay back within a certain period, which is normally 40 to 54 days, called the billing cycle. You will be surprised to know that the rate of interest charged on the credit availed, and if not paid within the specified period, is 3%. 3% not annual but monthly basis, which is approximately 36% annually. And with the power of compounding, that is, interest on interest, becomes almost 50%, which is humongous. Many are often after using your credit cards. When the statement arrives, the company gives two options. One is pay in full, and another is pay minimum or convert the transaction into EMIs. This is the trap that the company wants you to step in. How many times have you done that? Please comment. The company has now successfully pushed you into the credit loop. The more you pay in minimum, the more interest you pay, and finally, you're trapped. Well, if you are already trapped, firstly, stop any further usage of credit card and minimize your usage of plastic or digital payment unless unavoidable. Try to clear your credit card bills at any cost, maybe in a month or two maximum, and continue following step 1 till you clear your credit. Even consider availing personal loan, which is in the bracket range of 11 to 17% annually. Now, how to earn by using credit cards? Only use lifetime free cards. You may use N number of credits cards only for availing offers at various sites like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Various offers get activated in different cards. Some gives cashback, some reward points, discounts, while some allows no-cost EMIs for max of 9 months. But the main mantras are: try not to avail credit of more than 30% of your net monthly income. Never pay minimum due, but always try to clear the full amount. Always wait for offers when you want to buy something. Never wait till the last date of payment. Try to use credit cards wherever you would have used your debit card or cash, so that you can accumulate more points for your unavoidable spendings. Don't forget to use your airport lounge accesses. Don't forget to use your reward points judiciously. Default in payment, late payment, and occasionally deactivating cards do lowers your CIBIL score, so choose cards judiciously. Now, as we come towards the end of the video, we decipher how we earn using credit cards. If you are able to earn reward points equivalent to cash value on your spends, slowly but steadily, a handsome amount does accumulate. Further, getting cashbacks, no-cost EMIs, discounts, etc., then don't you agree it's also an earning? So, disciplined and smart usage of credit cards can actually earn you money. Do you agree? Please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe for more videos.